Malaila mali e aho e ki moe lele i tonga kotoa fia ke talitali lele ki mo tolu ke mo ngahi o ngongo me le dio kai o ai television ni tonga ki he hoani i he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Malolo hato taha ta onima topu me whatuta maki i hala pule anga i wawao. Tali e pule anga ke aho malolo whapule anga i he ta unipe ai aho taha wa te semani ke whakailonga i he senturi e kolisi kunisalo te. Pea mateu teu le lei e poto ngā awe ako ke hoko le lei atu e ako e whanau ako loto ko i ato ko mololo i gai keiwe sia neongo e mama ni hoko ki ho nao whale ako. O kuta i pe ngahi taranoa kehe ana iangi pe hei tau wakai ki ngahi o ngongo me he mala e o e sipoti ke o maai to o ngā oi ea. Ko e wakai lewa e niki he whakai ki iki ko au liliani polutele. Kua le ko te poto ngā oe polisi e mo ui whikaua ke mole i tongani topu me whakatūtā maki i he halapule anga. Ko hili ene mālolo halito taha ta o nima me utunga ke wawao. I he whakamatala ai pule aptanga polisi Nuku'alofa hala toa tau whanane pehe, kua si puke ma whakailo e whiwhine ta o torofitu me utunga ke pia whakailo ki whakauri tai tokanga hokai e mate whilawe i Moikawingani.
Matau ke whakamatala ko mau, ko whauatua e whakauri. Me koe whatu i he lotokolo ko utunga ke e kone whoki me i kolo ki whoki he whahiko ki tari hau. Ka koe lotokolo ko utunga ke mimi whiunga tonu mo e ue siriana utunga ke e upe ene toki kolosi ai le ka o hoko ai whatu tā maki koe. Pena e lerea ki e pegi whai maha ki ngō o whangapau e peko pekia. Ka koe tuko te mini ki i hoko ate ngau e ka o polisi ki whatape mo e whare maa ki. Ko whamatala ko mau, ko whauri bene te tu o te tokoni ki hono le rea ki, whatape mo whae e pe ki a whare maa ki.
O ku whamamawhai e hala toa e maho inga ke toitokanga nge kau whakauri whakataha mo i mātu o tauhi whanau, ke hui koe hāmai e whatūtā makini na e mi malawa pe ke owa e hoko.
Whai tokanga lahi e potunga aue, ki toi tokanga nge kau whauri, ka pehe whoki ki tau whanau, tau whanau ke tau tokoni aki, i hono tokanga i tau te whito pen ki he whanau i ki, nau wa inga, nau i he vei hala, te ko loto hala, ke whawapau i pe o malu ki nau tolu me hea hoko ha whatu tamak pehen, koe ke tau whaam ke hoko whai ngā tāpe heni ka koe hui koe ni taimi o hoko ai o ngau rewa koe tai tokanga, whau tai tokanga i hi kou whauri tau mauinga pa mo tau tokanga i tau tolu whanau tau hi whanau koe hui koe tau whanau i he taimi peheni.
Ako kei hoko hoka tupe whakatotolo kau polisi ke ilo whakaiki ki to tonu o mea ne hoko o kau kei kilomita na e ngawe aki e he whakauli pe kene toki hai whakamau anga amuyangi. Kua tali he kapineti i he ahoua o e mahinani ke hoko ai ahtahaua o maa asini ka koe tuapule lolo wike kahao koe aho malolo whakapule anga makehe i tongali i he taoni pe. Koe konga eni ngā unu e pule anga ke whakailonga i eka kato i he tauni ai seni tuli hono whotuu o iako anga kolisi koe ni salo te. I he whakamatala ko tuku mai mi he ofisi o e palemia, koe konga eni e nau ngāwe ki hono whamaho inga o ngāhi makamaile whawhonua maho inga i he historia o tongani, i he mahino koe kakato eni ai seni tuli e taha ai whotuu ai ako anga kolisi koe ni salo te. Lolotonga eni kua ngatu mo longolongo katoa ngai kolisi lolotonga mo kolisi tutuku i he te waki ke whakato uta ai hala o kolisi ki ene awhio king tupo wono i he palasi whakato i iloto Nuku'alofa a pongpongi. Koe konga eni ai teu, koe hui koe mokoi e whina ene awhio ki ne hā i lea ai katoa ngā seni tuli e kolisi kuni salo te i he wiki kaha una. E toi whakali ali heni i palasi. E whanau ako lorotonga e nau whaiwa mā ulu ai kua teu ke kātoanga ke awhio tonu ki ai hau o Tonga. Lorotonga e ni e toi whakahoka pongpongi ai pē mo ngāhi floati ai kolisi tutuku koe konga pē o ngāhi polokalama ko palani ke whakailonga I aki ai hengi o sentuli. I he lau maali e mawhana mo I whiawhia ko ia, kua o tonua I ngahi to wako kehe ki he mala e wakapuna whakawaha apule anga whamotu, ko e tali ai tō o tae mai ki tongani ai kau kolisi tutuku ko toa pē mo nau ngahi whamili ai uku whalau mai me mole ki he kātoa ngā oi wike kaha una. Neongo ai mōwhia ai whalea ko ia kolotoloto e pule anga o tokomololo. Kana I kai hamu ui e lavea pe hamole, pia I kai ke hoko ia kini wesi ai ako e whānau ako ehe ako angani, ko hili eni hono keina ehe mama ai ngāhi loki ako e nima I ako angani I he pule lolo oi wikini. I he whakamatala toko ni komisiona tāma te awhisi na monika waka nā ni pehe, nei hoko e māma koe ni he whiawhi pule lolo ko toko ai ako pia mahino nei I kai hataha ne I loto a piako lolotonga ai māma. Nei mau e he poto ngāwe ai lipo ti whikau aki me whatu tāma kini I he osiwa noa mihe o noi whiawhi.
Ko no staksa koe o e whare ne ato kapa, o e horisi o upapa pe pirike kong, pe whariki sima, a kai ke aofi. Ko e sais koe ni koe o e whare, ko e onga whai, pe building pe e taha ka ku ela, pe ku kua ke peki naua. Building I uraki u mita e ua nima poine taha, o no loa pe mita e honga fu poine nima no whalahi. Building hono ua u mita e ua poine ua, pia honga fu hono whalahi. Whareganina e langani he taiwa fitu, pia te renovate ai he wafe taha whaa. Tunga koe ki he malu I ui kai ke whapapau ia he taimi. Pia koe tunga koe ki he tupuanga o vela, kei whaipe ngā aue ia ki ai, ai wa whatotoro. Ko e ia hamate pe halavea, na e kai ke hoko hamate pe halavea, e māma ko e ni.
O ku mahina me whamatala ko nā tānaki, ne I kai hatoi whahinga me a ngā aue e malawa ki ni whatupunga ha māma ihe ako angani, tuku keheangi e mau anga uhila, ka e toki whapapau I tupuanga o e māma amuyangi. Neongo e nika na e malawa pe o whakahawhi pe seti e walu noa o e apiakoni, pe a pe seti e wanoa ne mau I e he māma. Lolotonga ni ne whaha e he pure lahi e poto ngā aue a kumoaku ngā aue I skelioko ki ho ngonga le te o Tonga, neongo a hono mau I e he māma e ngahi loki ako e nima I he apiakoni, ka he ikai we si ai ako e whanau I he wiki kaha una. Ne ikai ke toi ako e whanau ki loki ako a neawhi mo e ahoni mga toonga, me he lele a e nau ngā hisipoti whawahenga I he tuapure lulu mo e ahoni, ka kua tuu ma teuteu e potu ngāwe ako ki hono teuteu I ha ngāhi nau moha e lia ke hoko atu ki ai e ako e whanau I he mōni te kaha o ta te whito ki ngāhi kalasi ne mō whia honau loki ako. O ko kau ki heni hono fuotu e ngahi tēniti I he whingai aki me office whafunua a Tongani ki hono pule I ngahi ngāwe ki he whatamaki PND RMO me ngahi ngāwe ki he pē. Ia ne pehe e kei hoko le lea tu pe ako e whanau whafuafua ke ofi I he whange au a e tokalahi he whanau ako I ako angani pehe ki he kauwhai ako e ua furu mātaha. Pehe e oko ne os whai pe palani mo teuteu ke wharele I e konga honau loki ako I ngai loki ako na e vela ko hike tu unga ne I ai. Ka e toi whakatatali e ngāwe ko hike tu unga ko I ai he taimini ka e wakai I wharele ha ngāwe ki ai. Ke he koe vela whale hono tahataha ki eni ko le koti I he potu ngāwe Tama te awhi a Tonga I he taoni, whakahoa ia ki he taimi tatau I he tau ko osi, koe vela whale e tā tono. Keu hiko na Tongatapu ni I tōpule anga ai ngahi halanga wakalolo e ni ihi topu me he tau koe aku hoko I he ngahi whanua haha ke lotoloto. Kua toka teu kei taimi I pule anga Tonga, o ma teu ki ha taimi o ka pau e whaiwhaiange kua whakalalahi mo lolo ai tau ke we si ai koloa lolo I Tongani, ka I he lolo Tongani, kua si tuku hake pē I ngahi o ngongo I muli whaafuafua, ai ngahi whanua lalahi mo ngahi whanua ni I he Pasifiki, e waweni peha we sia ai koloa lolo tupu mi he tau, e wā o Amerika Isileli mo Iran. Senoli tato I vai mo e whakaiki.
I e whaike eke ango ngā le te o Tonga mo I tokon pale mia. Ka koe minister e potu ngā whi whātau aki mo I langa whakalakalaka whakaekonomika, Ai fa malmaloi ai ho mai ai koloa lolo ki tongani. Nei pe te tanga whilam Latu o kutu ma teu pe pule anga me ngai potu ngawe ai pule anga ke ha taimi o ka whaiwhaiange o ko kawa tongani i e wesia i he no ai koloa lolo. Pēto ke tanga Latu o mahina o ko swhai ai whakafuafua ke he totongi ai koloa lolo ke he mahina kato o aia e awalisi pē mo totongi o e mahina ni. Kau ki ai tokanga ke ha taimi e whaiwhaiange pia no ka hui kono ta ofi ngai halanga waka lolo mei he sau te ale pēa. Hoko mahino koe lolo tongani o ko mai me Singapore ka o ulaki whakatau mai ai lolo mei he ngai whanua hahake loto. I he ene pehe o ki ai pe whafuafua ko pau ke wesi ai mō tongani.
Kamata ngā ue pure anga e ki ai i he tūtu uni pe e ikparemia. Te ngai kupwhikau a koe pure anga ko o si whakahoko mai pe ai tūtu unia mi he ikparemia ki taktaha mate uki. Paka whatongia pe whokia oe ngai potunga whikau aki ai pure anga e koe hoko ngai mea pe nipa ko pau ke mau whakahoko ha ripoti. Te awerewa ki he ikparemia, ki office paremia, ki makatuunga mea i hano Moimoi. Ai ngai ka venga ko nu hoko koe whakalolo mai ai whita ati whamama ngai ko nu hoko i ono ofi e Isleri pia mo Amerika ko Iran pia ko no mo oni whakamato ato mo on pia o nai e hoko pia a hono wesia ai lolo i whanuani koe na mautoku tuanga mai ka matanga weekend e totongi lolo ko e whanua ai au ku holo ka atoa ta tau pia me benzini o au ki ti solo pia mo i kalasini. Ai aku makatunga fukia mi hono fikai ai totongi lolo i ngai mahina koe ku osi. Pea kone tu fuke taini mia i nai ui pe ai kaungawe o mawhukataha ki ta whaakoni. Ki o mahana uripoti ke tunga uga e lolo moi amanaki i he whatatau ke ngai information ma me ngai ongongo whalanga whamaman lai. E kamata ke hiki totongi lolo i hono wesia koe. Pea koe whamatala kumauia me potunga ue o kuholo i ke mahinani. Neo na te whai o hofi i ahua walu ai a sāpate i kana mau whakataha ka mataanga mai pe wikenia mahino o ku holo. Pa koe o koe pe whokasia e ke me lain tatawan pe ke mahina ka hoko. Ka koe pe mai mateu teu e koe ke pule i hataha whaariunga ko taimi.
Lotongani o mahino o ko te eki ke hasino mai e wesia e lolotongani.
Ko tu koe whamatala o mai koe me potunga ue taini mi o te gai ke asi maha o wesia ka ku osi mahino whakamaman lai neo me tau whanongo e tau turia he ngai whakamatala pe Moimoi pe mo tuane me potunga ue e ngai o ngongo ka mai ia me Amerika pe ku te naulawa pe o malu i e waha tahi koe ni pe te naulawa o escoti ai ngai wakalolo na o ke ha parapare ma koe ke pure i hataha e alunga ku gai ai tau e taini mi. Ka ku tau tu mateu pe e whanua ia ki he mahino e ai taimi e whai ai hiki e totongi ki olunga. Koe supply mo anga tuunga koe ki au ka tuunga u toi honge lolo anga teki fu mahino e taini mi ka ku mauhanga mui lelei. Ma tuunga fu he whakafou mai e tau lolo na malawa o merino pe tau i ku whakamuia i ha taimi no. Ka ke ilava pe ngai stoka u ku whai hano processi koe pe a mei Singapore. Ke ni whakaivia, ke ni hanga whakalato e whimau whakalolo, angai whanua ko lolo mai mi ai. Ka koe hange pe ko howheui, koe wesia o ku i ai. Ta i e taim tatau pe o ai pe moe whakatokanga pe o atu ke kakai whanua, koe tā pe lango ke i mamao hange pe whakatapu. O ku i ai pe ke tā ke iai pe mateu ai whanua na hoko whakatamaki, ka tau te whito ki a no i ta whaaki o lolo. Pe ko hiki e tuunga o totongi ki ai e totongi ka ku osi mateu pe e pureanga ke whaha hanga au ki ai ka ku amana ki e o tau lotu pe na whai ku wawe ai ano osi ai whike ike i koini.
Kai kene o stuko te totongi lolo fo'ou ke pensini ti solo mo i kalasini ke mahinani ai au ku holo aki ai seniti e nima. Mai ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga ko Sonolita tu i vai.
O nia ngongo whanota whanua ia ke hoani, koe ngahi ngongo me mala e sipoti hoko mai a mō piea oli.
Malo mato ki whilonga ki koe wakain ki mala e o sipoti. Ko kakato pe ai ko na spoti whawahenga e ngahi ako anga loto e pure anga Tongatapu, hiri ngei aho hono ua whahako e pā ke teu whaiwa talu mihi aho ane afi. Ko i whiawhia ka koha whiawhia ngahi apia ko GMS i e whakahoko atu ai whiau spoti ko i ane afi. O i whako whiau spoti ko ni, na e whakahoko whakamahenga pia, na e koe wahenga e walu, ana ukawa ke pāke te uwhaiwa. Tuku kehange tonga side school, ana ukawa mo ki nau tolu o whika walu aki ai ngahi wahenga. Na e whakahoko ai pia e whaike e wāngonga re te omu television, tonga me official spoti e ngahi ako, hei muri pangai, pe mo ne pehe koe mea whawhiawhia he ni, koe kau kahatoa mai e whamiri e whanau a kongi e whiauhini. O kai ngata ai, ko alu ke anga maheni e whanau a kongi ngai whaunga ku whakahoko aki e takitaha sipoti. O hange koe lere koe i he tureki be track, o nau lava takitaha pe o lere i he nau ngahi laine. Pea koe mateu teu whiunga ia ke nau hoko atoa i ke spoti whakakori si. Kai rotonga nina e whaike eke aibe mo i taha kau whaiako o e GMS whamotu, si vea, ai aku kauia i he wahenga hake ua. Nare pehe aku nau mateu teu whiunga ben, pea au mo i whanau ako koe wahenga o hake ua, ke nau i kuna e whiau spoti koe a GMS, i loto whiawhia mo i mātia ki i sipoti e tare niti o i whanau.
O mau whiawhia, mau ngoi whiawhia apito, inga ko e popo ko tape matu aki, ono teke monolanga ke tare niti kai whanau, o nau manako ai ai spoti, o mau whiawhia lahi, pea ko mau lanu pen lan maroon, o tawe ke maroon bahe hake ua ia.
Nei pehe he taha kau whaiako me he GMS ho whoa, taina kata, ai au kukauia ki wahenga kolo ua, o whawhiawhia neongo ai whiau hieni o whakahoko, ka koe whiawhia anga ia, ki nau tolu whanau ako, ki lawa ke nau whiohi whakataha, pe mo ngahi api ako kehe, pe ke lawa whoki ke nau whakamaheni, o nau te whiilonga kiange.
Pea lahi au pito i he huata whakoroa koe ni, he ko hau mo mea makai mai peka te au ko lanturua te ahoni, ko whapokonga e mahe koroa mo ua. Kakone pea pe kuranga te kongo i, oku pau peke ke mau ia mahe koroa mea koe ni.
Ko whiahu whako ni ku kau ki e wahenga e walu, ai a koe apia ko GMS whakatoa e whanima, kau ki e whiau hini, pe kai ke ngata pe i e whiau koe ni ka kohono teke pe mo pāo tolo aki, tare ni te sipoti hako tupo e whonua, kai mo āwhoki ai mo ui lelei. Koe e sipoti pe.
Ko e wakailewa ene ki he tuo ngā oe ea, i hana tuku mai mi he waa wakaimatangi a tonga i whamotu aia e whakahoko atu e pesa koila.
Malo lau maari ho eki pia moilele a tonga kotoa, tai tari whiwhia ki motoro ki he tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he efi awhini, ngai tā noa la lahi re waine aho whatonga i angi. Alo maari e pe ki ko ngā lahi ngai vai whanua e o tu tonga, whai ngā maari e ni ke whakahoko tau ngai whatongia ke ki tua ta tau pei tōkanga, whare hanga pe he whoki ngā tai. Malape kei moha uha tu umato tau te whito ke ngai vai whanua o ki toke lau, ki he ongo niwa, kai pe whoki vai whanua wawa u. Wakai rewa ni ke tau imi satelai te whatonga ngi alo tā maki uha koe kune kei toka i he eria ko ni o Tongatapu, o au mai ki he vai whanua wawa u aia, tene kei o mai pe ao whia, uha tu umato malape ke lolo lahi ngai taimi. Alo maari pe ke vai whanua haapai, kai pe whoki Tongatapu pe mo ewa, tuke hanga taimi ao whia e whotunga langi, pe malape kei moha uha tu umato tau whanonga koe he whia whini. Whatonga ingo alo tā maki uha taha kune kei toka, ke potai whatonga Tongatapu pe mo ewa, o au mai ki tere ki tonga, mo tere ki toke lau, ai tene kei o mai pe au whia, whataha pe kei moha uha tu umato, malape kei lolo lahi ngai taimi ke ngai potahini. O mga tuunga hene kei tu e tau whatokanga hako pe mo i whare i ke whanki wakaiki, ke tokanga heo ki tahi ke ngai potahi ko ia o tere ki tonga, pe mo tere ki toke lau. Kai Pasifiki ahu ni ma koe ka hoko mai, whatonga ngi au tā maki uha ki whakatoke lau, whawafua ke ne ngā unu i whaipe ki wawahi whanua wawau, haapai Tongatapu pe mo ewa i he sāpate, pe mo e mo nite ko ia o i wike kaha u. Whaupeke alomari ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa i he tūsite, kai pehe whoki ke ngai vai whanua pe mi toke lau, o kamata i he pule lulu ko ia o i wike kaha u. Kai he tau whanonga ko ia i he ewhia whini ko ia pongpongi, whatonga ngi au tā maki uha ki whatoke lau, tene kei o mai pe au whia ki ni o Tongatapu, kai pehe whoki niwa who pe au mai ke vai whanua wawau, tau whanonga ko ia he pōni ki a hengi. Alomari e pe ki vai whanonga haapai, pe whoki Tongatapu pe mo ewa, ai tene kei o mai pe au whia, moha uha tu umato i ngai taimi, malape ke lolo lahi ngai wheitu ni ihi. Ke iangi pe toka ngamatangi pe me tonga hake, o au peke mai tahe ua noa, ke kotoa pe ngai potahi koia o tu tonga, tu ke heange a tere ki tonga mo tere ki toke lau, o au peke mai tahe ua nima ke tau noa ke hoa i ngai taimi. Maulalo taha rewa koe fua mawhana ke poni, ya au peke tikiri se ua wha ki he ua ono. Whamatala ea ke pungpongi, whataonga nge au tāmaki uha koni, whaapake ne mawahet me e ria koni o Tongatapu, ki niwa whaou, ai tēne ki o mai pehe au awhia muha uha tu umato o lolo lahi angai taimi ki he ongo niwa. Au awhia pe whotunga langi ke vai whanua wau a peki haapai, Tongatapu pia mo ewa tuke henga taimi, mala peki ai muha uha tu umato to holo o lolo lahi angai taimi. Ki yangi pe toka ngamatangi pe me hake, ma tonga hake, o au peke mare tahe taha nima ki hua noa, ki kotoa pe ngai po tahi ko ia o tu Tonga. Malunga taha rewa koe fua mawhana ke pungpongi, au peke tikili se tolu taha, ki he tolu ua ki he o Tonga. Tai mihu o pe moi mamaha ko e tahi, tau maari e hoko totonu i hongo fulu he poni, maha toka ia i he osi minite nima pe mi he wha a hengi. Koe la a me mahina, a manaki ke hopo e la a pongpongi, toi minite ua taha ki he fitu a pongpongi, pe a tō ia i osi minite tolu, pe me he fitu e fiafi a pongi. Hopo e mahina, toi minite ua ano ki he hiwa he poni, pe a tō ia he toi minite ua ano ki he hongo fulu a pongi. Whaos pia tau wakai ki e tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he aho e nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa o ka mata he sāpate ki he tua pule lulu ko ia o i wike kahau. Alo maari e pētu ke henga taime au whia langi, whaupegi ai moha uha tu mo tō holo o lolo lahi angai taime tau te whito ke monite ko ia o i wike kahau. Ma whanataha ko ea i he aho e nima ko ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa au peke tikili se tolu noa ki he tolu ua. Ko ka katoia e tau whamatala ea, ma lo opito homo mea mai ka mo mea.
Pesa kui laia mo i tuunga oi ea ka tau toi wakayangi pihi ki ngahi ulo i ngongo. Malolo hatoko taha taunima topu mi whakatutama ki i hala puleanga i wawao. Tali e puleanga ke aho malolo whapuleanga i he taunipe ai aho taha wati se mani ke whakailonga i e senturi e kolisi kuni salo te. Pea mateuteu le lei e potonga awe ako ke hoko le lei atu e ako whanau ako lotoloto ko i atoko mololo i gai keiwe sia neongoha ai mama ni hoko ki honau whale ako. Pea moe ka katai pea i ngāhi o ngongo me le tioka i o maa televiso ne tonga ki e howani moe whakaamo ne au taki kotoa atu pea ki loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, road accident in Vava'o claims the life of a 5-year-old boy, the second road fatality in 2026. Government predicts fuel supply issues in the near future due to the US and Iran conflict. And government declares public holiday for Queen's Latu College centennial celebrations. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin, together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. Police have recorded the second road fatality in 2026, following the death of a 5-year-old boy from Utungake Vava'o in a road accident this week. Liliani Polutele with more on that story.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Chief Superintendent of the Nuku'alofa Police Station, Tongataufa, says a 37-year-old woman from Utungake has been arrested and charged with careless driving causing death in relation to the incident. According to information they received, the driver was travelling back from town and in the area of Utungake just before the Free Wesleyan Church. The incident occurred when the deceased crossed the road and was hit by the vehicle. It is reported that the driver got out of the vehicle and helped the boy's mother take him to the hospital, where the child was pronounced dead. Taufa emphasized the importance of drivers being more cautious, as well as parents and guardians watching over their children, because this was a preventable incident. When incidents like this occur, they are often considered careless driving, but it is still very important for drivers to remain vigilant in such situations. Police investigations are still ongoing to determine the exact details of what happened, including the speed at which the driver was travelling, before the matter proceeds to court at a later date.
Many working ex-students of Queen's Latu College will be happy. They won't have to take leave to take part in the centennial celebrations next week, as government have announced a special public holiday for Thursday, 12th of March, to mark the significant 100th anniversary of the school.
Cabinet made the decision in a meeting last week and have declared Thursday 12 as a one-time public holiday for 2026. In a statement today, the Prime Minister's office announced that this decision is part of the government's efforts to recognize important national events in the history of Tonga. The students and alumni of Queen Charlotte College are preparing to march to the Royal Palace in Nuku'alofa tomorrow to present the school's traditional ceremonial path to Tupou VI. This preparation follows the wish of His Majesty for the college centennial celebrations to be presented before him next week. At the palace, the students will perform the traditional Ma'ululu performance for His Majesty King Tupou VI. Meanwhile, a morning parade and decorated float by the alumni will also take place as part of the planned programs to mark the historic 100th anniversary. In the same joyful spirit, groups of former students from different generations have been arriving at the Whaamotu International Airport to welcome fellow alumni and their families who are travelling from overseas to attend their celebration scheduled for next week. Preparation for the college 100-year anniversary are well underway with students, parents, ex-students and FWC members excited for the upcoming 4-day celebration. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Lidea Tongatapu.
Government is bracing for possible fuel supply shortage due to the rising tensions in the Middle East, which is impacting global fuel supplies. In retaliation for U.S. attacks, Iran and United Arab Emirates have closed key oil shipping routes. If the conflict continues for a longer time, it could affect the supply of fuel of Tonga. International news reports that many large countries and some Pacific nations expect fuel supply could soon be affected because of tensions between United States, Israel and Iran. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade and Economic Development, Dr. Latu said the government and its ministries are ready if Tonga experiences a shortage of fuel. Dr. Latu said fuel price estimated for next month have already been prepared and are expected to stay about the same as the current month. However, there is a concern that fuel could become limited if oil shipping routes from the Middle East remained blocked. Tonga imports its fuel from Singapore, but the crude oil originally comes from countries in the Middle East. Because of this, Tonga could eventually be affected. At the moment, there are no clear signs that Tonga's fuel supply has been affected. Meanwhile, new fuel prices for petrol, diesel and kerosene have been announced for this month, with prices decreasing by 5 centi. And despite the fire at the government middle school of Tokomololo, no one was injured or lost life, and it would not disrupt the students' learning at the school. This follows a fire incident that burned down 5 classrooms at the school on Wednesday evening this week. Liliani Boldele with more.
The classroom building housed 5 classes and was damaged in a fire last Wednesday afternoon. The Deputy Fire Commissioner Nuku'alofa told Radio and Television Tonga News the fire was reported to them at 6:20 p.m. This was after school hours and no one was on the school premises, so no lives were lost or any persons injured in the event. Kauwaka added that they are still investigating the cause of the fire, although according to the information they have now, there were no other obvious sources that could have caused the fire at school, so they are considering the possibility of the fire being caused by the electrical wiring. The firefighters were able to save about 80% of the building, with only 20% being lost in the fire. The Tokomololo GMS consists of 2 main classroom buildings and only one was affected in this fire. The education CEO, Isikeli Yoko, told Radio and Television Tonga News, although 5 classrooms were damaged, they are ensuring the students will still be able to continue the classes, providing temporary equipment and learning spaces so that classes can resume on Monday. They collaborated with the National Disaster Risk Management Office to set up tents for temporary classrooms while the ministry works on a more permanent solution. As such, school will continue as normal next week with about 359 children and 21 teachers at the GMS of Tokomololo. This is the 11th house fire recorded by the Tonga Fire and Emergency Services so far in 2026, a small drop compared to the number recorded last year. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, Emily Tea Tongatapu.
That's your local news for tonight, and sports is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. Excitement filled Teofaiva Park yesterday afternoon as government middle schools across Tonga gathered for their annual inter-district sports competition. The event brought together 8 districts with a total of 45 GMS schools participating in the competition. The sports competition began yesterday and is expected to conclude later today. Speaking to the Radio and Tonga News, GMS sports officer Muli Pangai said one of the most encouraging sights during the competition was the strong support from families who came to cheer for their sons and daughters taking part in the events. He added that students have shown improvement in their sporting techniques, particularly in track events such as sprinting, where many athletes are now able to run confidently within their lanes. Pangai said this kind of discipline helps prepare students as they move on to compete at college-level sports. Meanwhile, a teacher from GMS Whaamotu, Sin Vea, who is part of the Eastern District 2 team, expressed confidence in the athletes. She said the students are well prepared and hopeful of winning the competition through teamwork, enthusiasm, and dedication to developing their talents. Another teacher from GMS Ho4, Tainakata, who represents Central District 2, said that while the competition is important, the greatest joy is seeing students happy and building friendships with students from each schools. The GMS sports competition not only focuses on winning events, but also aims to nurture young sporting talents while promoting healthy and active lifestyles for Tonga's future generation. And that's sports news.
That's Pierre Ollier with the latest sports, the latest update to be presented by Pesakuila from the Tonga Meteorological Services.
Good evening, Tonga. Here is the latest weather forecast from Tonga Met Services. Our headline for this evening, we expect fine weather over most parts of Tonga and it is great for outdoor activities, but please take note, a possible showers of rain can be heavy falls at times, especially to the further north for the Niwas and Vava'u land areas. From the satellite imagery, as you can see, there is a thick cloud band still lies over the vicinity of Tongatapu and extend over to Vava'u, and it will bring mostly cloudy with occasional showers, can be heavy falls at times. However, mainly fine over Niwa Fo'o, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa land areas. Not only that, but there is another trough still lies over to the southern waters of Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters. Warning for coastal waters, a strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters. Across the region the next 5 days, as you can see, this trough still lies over to the northern parts of Tonga and it continue to extend to the south to Vava'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa by Sunday and Monday early next week, with a northeasterly wind flow becoming fine by Wednesday, starting from the north for the Niwas on Wednesday next week. Let's bring in the weather closer to home into Island Division. From this evening until early tomorrow morning, we expect mostly cloudy over Tongatapu and Niwa Fo'o for tonight to early tomorrow morning. Can be heavy falls at times. Mainly fine over Vava'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa apart from cloudy periods with possible isolated showers. East to southeasterly winds of reaching up to 20 knots for all of Tonga. Coastal waters apart from Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters of up to 25 to 30 knots at times. For the minimum temperature for tonight of around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius over to the Niwas. Forecast for tomorrow, we expect a similar condition of this trough approaching Tongatapu and still lies in these areas by tomorrow with a mostly cloudy with occasional showers. Can be heavy falls at times with isolated thunderstorms, but mainly fine over Vava'u, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Ewa apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers. East to southeasterly winds reaching up to 15 to 20 knots for all of Tonga coastal waters, and the maximum temperature for tomorrow of around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. For the tide prediction, high tide at 10 o'clock tonight and low tide at 5 minutes past 4 early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sun will rise at 6:39 a.m. tomorrow morning and will set at 3 minutes past 7 tomorrow evening. Moonrise 8:34 p.m. this evening and moonset at 9:34 a.m. tomorrow morning. Wrapping up with our 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa starting this Sunday until Thursday next week, we expect mainly fine apart from cloudy periods with possible scattered showers, can be heavy falls at times, especially for Monday next week, and the maximum temperature the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa of around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Thank you for tuning in. Malo opito and have a great weekend. See you next time.
That's Pesa Kuila from the Tonga Meteorological Services. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Road accident in Vava'o claims the life of a 5-year-old boy, the second road fatality in 2026. Government predicts fuel supply issues in the near future due to the US and Iran conflict. And government declares public holiday for Queen Charlotte College centennial celebrations. That's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. I'm Senolita Duivine. Good evening.